Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Monster Hunter Wilds error code R5352-T9Q-TAE2 11D2. The error reads, "Unable to obtain achievement information from your account. Please check your network connection or account status for any issues." As per our research, the error appears when players try to play the game offline, especially on Xbox Series X. Users shared that the error box keeps popping up repeatedly during gameplay, such as after breaking a wound or finishing a hunt. According to our findings, the error is likely related to the game's need to sync achievements online. Since the system is offline, it can't verify achievement data, which leads to the error. Or in some cases, some other reasons may also be behind the error. The first thing we recommend is to power cycle your console along with the router. Simply turn off both devices, then unplug them from the power source, then wait a few minutes, then plug them back in and restart. Now check if the error is resolved. If the error still comes, then next, check if the game needs any updates. If there are updates pending, install them and then check for the error again. If the issue persists, try connecting your device to a different Wi-Fi network or use a mobile hotspot, and see if this helps with the error. If you have tried all these steps but the error still comes, then most likely the issue is from the game's side. In this case, we suggest waiting for some time and trying again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.